What if one simple habit before sleeping could make your body stronger, your legs more powerful, and your mornings more energetic? Most people ignore what they eat at night, but tonight you'll learn how the right bedtime foods can help your body repair, rebuild, and regain strength naturally. As we grow older, our muscles slowly lose strength, our bones become weaker, and even simple activities feel tiring, especially leg movement. Many people believe that strength only comes from exercise, but the truth is, real strength is built during sleep, not during the workout. And what you eat before bed plays a huge role in how strong your body becomes. In this video, I will share the best foods to eat before sleeping that help increase strength, improve muscle recovery, and support healthy aging, naturally and safely. When you sleep, your body enters a repair mode. Muscles heal, bones rebuild, cells regenerate. If your body has the right nutrients at night, this repair process becomes stronger and faster. But if your body lacks nutrition, you wake up tired, weak, and stiff. That's why bedtime food matters. Warm milk, the natural strength builder. Warm milk is one of the best foods to consume before sleeping. It contains high-quality protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. These nutrients support muscle repair and bone strength. Milk also contains tryptophan, which helps improve sleep quality, and better sleep means better recovery. For extra benefits, add half a teaspoon of turmeric to reduce joint pain and inflammation, or add 1 teaspoon of honey to support muscle recovery. Drink it warm, not cold. Almonds, small but powerful. Almonds may be small, but they are packed with strength-boosting nutrients. They contain magnesium for muscle relaxation, healthy fats for long-lasting energy, and vitamin E for muscle repair. Magnesium is especially important at night because it prevents muscle cramps and stiffness. Eat 5 to 6 almonds, preferably soaked overnight. Greek yogurt, nighttime muscle food. Greek yogurt is rich in slow-digesting protein. This means your muscles receive nutrition throughout the night while you sleep. It's especially helpful for people over 40, those who feel leg weakness, anyone who wakes up with body pain. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt only. You can add a small amount of honey if needed. Banana is natural muscle protector. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamin B6. Potassium prevents muscle cramps, night leg pain, and weakness during movement. Eating half to 1 small banana before bed helps your muscles stay balanced and strong. Avoid eating large bananas late at night. Dates, gentle energy for the body. Dates provide natural sugar, iron, and antioxidants. They support muscle recovery, blood circulation, gentle energy without heaviness. 1 or 2 dates are enough. Too many dates can increase blood sugar, so moderation is key. Remember these rules. Never overeat before bed. Avoid oily, spicy, and processed foods. Eat at least 30 to 45 minutes before sleeping. The goal is nourishment, not fullness. These foods are especially helpful for people above 40 or 50, those with leg weakness, people who feel tired easily, anyone who wants healthy aging. Strength does not disappear overnight. It fades slowly. But the good news is, strength can also be rebuilt slowly, starting with small habits. Choose the right food tonight. Let your body heal while you sleep. Try this routine for 7 to 14 days and notice how your energy, balance, and leg strength begin to improve. If this video helped you, please like and share it with someone you care about. Subscribe for more simple health tips that make your life stronger and better. Sleep well, eat smart, stay strong.